Hello, this video is going to show you how to record and submit your Beethoven's Ninth video for our final assessment for first semester. So you are going to go to the assignment in Canvas. It's listed as Final Beethoven's Ninth Video under our Week 18 module. When you enter the assignment, you will see this with all of the instructions and links that you need. This is our final assessment for the first semester. We are creating an All East Orchestra's performance video of Beethoven's Ninth. We have worked on the music in class, and you will be recording your video to be submitted for the final performance video. Please follow the instructions below. 1. Make sure you have your music printed out or loaded on a separate device so that you can see your music and see the recording application at the same time. This is really important. Go to this page to access the sheet music and video tutorials. And this is the page with the links for the sheet music with fingerings, the performance video that you can practice with, and the individual parts played for practicing. Then you will make sure that you are in a quiet space, ready to record. You've got everything set up, ready to go. Make sure you tune your instrument. This link will take you to a page on my orchestra's website that gives you everything you need to know on how to tune your instrument. I highly recommend using a tuning app on your phone or another device like INS Tuner or ClearTune. Your instrument must be in tune in order for your audio to be usable. Make sure you have earbuds or headphones to record. This is required. If you do not use earbuds or headphones for recording, your audio will not work and I will not be able to use it. When you record, we should be able to see most of your face and instrument. For example, the demonstration video I showed you guys in class. This is the video my colleagues and I made. As you can see, you cannot see people's faces very well, and there's going to be more of us than in this video. So please make sure we can see you. If you're feeling a little bit uncertain, you can tilt your camera down a little bit so we can just see like half of your face. I would really much rather see your whole face though. Rest assured that people will not be able to see the details of your face. They'll just know that it's you and they'll see your bow moving. For cellos and basses, we don't need to see your whole instrument, just a partial instrument is fine. For violins, violas, as you can see, some people we can see the whole thing, some people we can see most of it. But I should at least see one of your hands, your instrument, and your bow. And again, I want to see your lovely faces. But if you're super uncomfortable, I understand, just tilt your camera down a little bit so we see like from your nose down. Do not tilt your camera so that all we see is your forehead. We need to see your instrument. If you want to, you can wear an East Orchestra's shirt that you have or some other East Spirit wear. If you have an Old Day for Strings shirt, you could wear that too, but this is not required. Once you are ready to record your video, watch the tutorial that I'm making right now. Then you can follow the link to record your video. Once you're ready to record your video, make sure you've watched this tutorial video that I'm making right now. It isn't linked yet, but this will be a hyperlink. Watch this tutorial video so you know what to do to record your video. Then you're going to click this link to record, and it'll take you here. Let's try that again. It's going to ask you to sign up. You click sign up. You join with your your school Google account. It's going to ask for a license code and just click continue. You don't need to enter in a license code. It's going to ask for your birthday. Just enter January 1st, 2007. Okay, then you're going to see this screen. Headphones are required to record. You must use some type of headphone or earbud to record. If you absolutely have no way of doing your recording with headphones or an earbud, please let me know as soon as possible. But Once you are ready and have yours plugged in, click I am wearing headphones and continue. Then enter your entire first name, your entire last name, and select which part you are playing. I'm going to record violin right now. Just ignore this number and click continue. Then you're going to double check which recording devices you'll be using. So you want to use your camera built into your device, which on my laptop it says FaceTime HD camera. You want to use the internal built-in microphone. If you are using an earbud or headphones that has a built-in microphone, it's probably going to set it to that. If it gives you the option of using your device's internal microphone, please make sure you select that. If it doesn't, then whatever microphone is on your headphones or earbuds will be fine. You can adjust the volume of the metronome here as you play, and it will give you a tuning pitch. So you can check your strings. A, D, G. Okay. But like I said, please make sure you tune your instrument in advance. Then, once you are ready, click continue. And there I am on my camera. And I'm actually going to do this side by side because I've got my big monitor up. So I've got my two screens side by side. Once you click start recording, it is going to start recording. So make sure you are ready to go. I can see my music from beginning to end. I've got my earbuds. Let me plug those in. I'm going to use one earbud so that I can hear my instrument as well as the click track. If you can't hear it super well, you can use both, but I recommend leaving one ear open so you can hear your instrument. If you're using headphones, just scooch the headphone back a little bit. Once you are ready, get your instrument in playing position if you can. Click start recording. It's going to give you 8 clicks, which you won't hear in this tutorial because it's in my earbud, but you'll see them. And then you start recording. You're going to hear in your earbud headphone, you're going to hear the backing track that sounds just like the orchestra accompaniment from Smart Music. So here I go. Once you are done recording, click stop recording. Don't say anything, make any additional noise until you've clicked stop recording. Then you'll get to this screen. You can click play to review your video and audio. So you'll get to this screen that shows you where your audio lines up against the recording track audio. Your audio is the yellow, the recording track is the gray. So you click play. And it actually sounds like I'm just a little bit delayed. So what I can do, you see when I bring my cursor up here, I get the multiple arrows showing that I have control to move. I can click and drag my audio to the left just a teensy bit to make it line up better. And then I'm going to start over and see how that goes. And there, that lines up better. I'm happy with that. I'm going to click done. It's going to upload my recording. This may take a moment. If you are on a Chromebook, make sure you don't have anything else open so that this can load a little bit faster. Like if you have Canvas open, you might want to close it so that your recording can upload. You'll see the progress wait for it to get to 100%, and then you'll get this window that says recording submitted. You may now close this window or create a new video. If you aren't super happy with the video that you made, you can do another one. Just shoot me an email and let me know which one you would prefer that I use. Okay? Then that's all you have to do. On my side of things, this is what it's going to look like. All right, so here I am playing with Ivan, who's in 8th grade. The more videos we have, the smaller those tiles get, and the more audio we have in our tracks. So good luck. Make sure you follow all of the directions on the assignment. Once you've submitted your assignment, come back to the Canvas assignment, and you need to make sure that you click submit so I know that you have done your video. As long as your video and audio are usable, you will receive full credit. If your audio doesn't work for some reason, your instrument's out of tune, the audio doesn't line up because you're playing wrong notes, I'll email you and ask you to try again. You get one shot to redo it. Otherwise, you get partial credit. So once you've submitted your video, come back to this assignment, click Submit Assignment in the upper right-hand corner. In the text box, type, I have submitted my video. And then scroll down, Submit Assignment, and then you're done. If you have any questions, email me. Otherwise, good luck.